Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain day 3 of Azure Cloud by providing the KodeKloud free live. So let me jump on the 100 days of Cloud Azure. So we have already completed day 2. Now this is the day 3. So let me show you. Create a VM using Azure CLI. Okay. So we have to create a Azure CLI. In the day 2 we have created a VM by using the console, and day 1 we have created a SSH key pairs to connect virtual machines. So if you are beginner and you are learning for Azure Cloud, then this is the good way to do the practice. So just before watching the day 3, I will recommend you to watch the day 1 and day 2. Then you can create a virtual machines by using the CLI in the day 3. So it will be the good practice by step by step. And if you have any question, any confusion, do let me on the comment sections. I will answer there. And my live is almost open. Okay, good to go. All right, so no problem. Answer VM, DevOps VM. Okay, so the task is that create a new virtual machines DevOps VM, and one two we have to take the image, and VM size is standard VSN tone, and the username should be Azure user. Okay, and the storage class is standard LSR and disk size 30 GB. Okay, it should be running, no problem at all. So before uh, creating a virtual machine, we have to identify what is the available resource group, because once we will create a virtual machine, we have to define the resource group name. So this is our resource group. Okay, and now after that we have to just create a, I will put the uh, command on the comment section, so you can copy it, there is no issue. And we have to modify this command. Okay, so first of things, uh, we have to just remove, modify our uh, VM name should be the DevOps VM. Okay, DevOps VM should be the DevOps VMs. Okay, now the resource group is hyphen resource group. We have to mention there this resource group. If I can copy, that would be the good thing. Okay, now we can paste here the resource name. Perfect. Okay, now image name Ubuntu 2022, it's fine. And the size is standard. B2S is fine. Admin username and Azure user. Okay, key generation, make sure that okay. Now the storage class is standard LSR OS disk size 30 GB. Fine. So what will happen when the VM will be created? It will be created inside this resource group. Okay, so inside this resource group, VM name would be this one, and the storage is standard LSRs, and size of the storage is 30 GB. Okay, and it will take the Ubuntu flavor. Okay, all right, let me create. So we have to wait it. Okay, it is creating. And once we created VM, So we have to wait for some times to come the VM on running stage, because if you are just creating a VM and checking the labs, it will maybe failed, because VM should be running. It is the mandatory thing. So it's creating a VM. So firstly, it will be find out the resource group, then it will be create a VNet networking things, um, VPC, and then finally it will be create a virtual machines. Okay, so we have to make it patience. It is creating, and after creating a VM, so we have to wait 30 second or 1 minute to come VMs on running stage. Okay, so this is the task. So it's a simple things. Either we can create a VM by using the console and selecting everything, or we can create a Azure CLI. You can create any by using any IC tools. But sometimes I created by using the Terraform. So yeah. So our VM is mostly created. Let me so that okay. So the subscription Azure subscription name is something this one, and the resource group is this one. Okay, so this is our resource group. Okay, so what it means, the subscription name this one, inside this subscription there is a resource group, this one. Okay, this one the resource group, and provider is Microsoft Compute. Okay, who is providing this one, the environment Azure is the Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Cloud. Okay, and the virtual machine name is inside the resource group, virtual machine name is DevOps VM. Okay, and the location is it's auto selected East US. Okay, this is the locations. MAC address of that VM is this one. Whatever the VM we have created, it's automatically generated a physical address. MAC address means physical address. Okay, and power stage is VM running. Now the VM is running. Okay, private IP is this one, public IP is this one, resource group is this one. So now we have a clear picture that the our VM is running. So we have completed and successfully created a VM. Let me check the lab. It is successfully created or not. So it is checking in the background and will show the output. What is the output? We have created a perfect. Yes, we have created a VMs as per the expectations slab. Okay. So thanks for watching. And if you have any question, any confusion, do let me on the comment section. I will put the both commands in the comment section, how you can check the resource group and how to you create a like Azure VMs. Thanks for watching.